Child possession schedules in Texas. When one parent is considering divorcing or separating from another parent, I will often get asked about a possession schedule. What can I expect in terms of having, possession of my child? What options are there? What is a court likely to do? That sort of thing. Hi, my name is John Flood, and I'm a divorce and child custody attorney with a principal office in Houston, Texas. Now, when it comes to possession schedules, the facts of your case matter. The particular facts in your case matter a lot, and they will largely determine what you can expect and what a court is likely to do. The particular facts that a court will consider that will matter a lot are things like parental involvement prior to the divorce or separation. So did you have, for example, one parent who was working full-time while the other parent stayed at home and was the primary caretaker for the children? Along those lines, a court will look at whether one parent is traveling a lot for their work or works a lot. Or, as another example, can one parent stay home? Do they work from home? That sort of thing. A court will also consider a parent's support system. So do they have a family or friends to help them raise the child and care for the child? And then if the child's old enough, the child's preferences can also come into play. Lastly, a court may look at things like criminal history, CPS or Child Protective Services involvement, and that sort of thing. Domestic violence, those sort of things can come into play as well. So all of these facts and more can come into play in determining what possession schedule would be appropriate in your particular situation. Now, I'll say the most common setup, possession schedule setup that we see is we have a primary parent and a non-primary parent. And the child is with the primary parent at all times, not specifically designated for the non-primary parent. So you'll have the child with the primary parent, and then the non-primary parent is given a possession schedule called a standard possession order, or an SPO for short. A standard possession order consists of first, third, and fifth weekends. So the non-primary parent will have the children on the weekends following the first, third, and fifth Fridays of the month. They will also have Thursday nights. They will have 30 days in the summer for an extended summer possession, and then holidays will alternate. So one parent gets spring break one year, the other parent gets spring break the next year, and so on and so forth. Now, there are other types of possession schedules that can be put into effect, such as 50-50, but if you end up in court in a trial, that's the most common setup that a court is likely to order.